Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through creating a kid's profile on Max, formerly known as HBO Max. This is a great way to ensure your little ones only have access to age-appropriate content and keeps your viewing history nice and clean. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Max app on your device, whether it's your smart TV, phone, or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your main adult profile. Once you're in, look for the profile icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen, but it might vary slightly depending on your device. Tap on that profile icon to bring up the profile selection menu. Now you should see an option to add a kid profile. It might also say something like Manage Profiles and then give you the option to add a new one. Click on that option and you'll be prompted to create a new profile specifically for your child. You'll need to give the profile a name, something your kiddo will recognize. Next, you'll be asked to set an age range for the profile. This is crucial because it determines the types of content that will be available. Max offers several age categories, allowing you to customize the settings based on your child's age and maturity level. Choose the appropriate age range. After you've selected the age range, you might have the option to set a profile PIN. This is a great way to prevent your kids from switching back your adult profile and accessing content they shouldn't. If you want to add a PIN, enter a 4-digit code that's easy for you to remember but hard for them to guess. Finally, you might see an option to customize the profile picture. Max usually provides a selection of characters or icons to choose from, making it fun for your child to personalize their profile. Pick an image that your child likes, and then confirm all your settings. And that's it. Your kid's profile is now set up and ready to go. Simply switch to their profile whenever they want to watch something, and you can rest assured they're only seeing content that's appropriate for their age. This will also keep their viewing separate from yours, so the algorithm doesn't start recommending Bluey when you are trying to binge Succession. Enjoy family movie night worry-free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.